Now it's been 6 months, can you believe it, since I got my 70-200 lens, and I guess it's time to go shoot some birds. Boysies on a mission, Boysies on the wildlife mission. Check this for an intro. Boysies on an animal mission. Even though it looks like we're in the middle of the jungle, we're just in Western Springs Park, which is about 5 minutes or 10 minutes from my house, so it doesn't really classify as Boysies on a mission. So, I'm not just doing push-ups. I watched this video and it said the biggest tip for wildlife photography of birds is to get right down to this level and shoot them. Here's 3 different photos. One standing up, one from knees, and one right down on the bottom. And look at the difference on the bottom. You're getting that bokeh, the depth of field, the sharpness, the clarity. It's awesome. I didn't wear the right clothes for it though. We interrupt this programming to bring you live streaming from Dagobah, where Luke crashed his X-Wing. Look how mean this place is. We got moss, we got... Okay, this is only in the park, like 5 minutes from Auckland. Well, it's in Auckland. Trying to get the rock here in the foreground. That's the life hack for the landscape photographers. It's the mossiness, eh? It's the, like, Minecraft rocks.
Mustard.
Next minute, camera in the water. I reckon the image will come out real up. It's a halftime show now with Sarah, my sister. Cheers. This connects to the zoo. So through there you can see the flamingos. Ice cream update. Really good. That's huge scoops though. So we have the park on this side. And then right through here, through this window, so we got the flamingos right through that gap. How awesome is that? The zoo right next to a park. Who would have thought? Oh, everything's black! that's it for this video in the park, guys. The key thing's just get on the ground. It's not that hard. It was actually easy. Maybe my photo's so good, didn't even have to try that hard really. Just spent the whole time making a mean intro. Thanks to my sister Sarah for coming out, eating an ice cream and doing all this filming. Hope you enjoyed that video, and see you in the next video. Yep, we will.